to jazzercise with Seasoned by Sydney, because that's what it looks like this video is on. But ignore my hair from the 80s. Today we are gonna be making a hidden vegetable chocolate almond butter smoothie. So this is a great smoothie if you have kids and you're trying to sneak vegetables in their diet without them knowing. Everybody thinks they're getting like a chocolatey smoothie, and even when they drink it, they have no idea that there's vegetables in it at all. You're only gonna need a few ingredients and a blender, and probably all these ingredients you have already in the house. So I'm not gonna tell you guys what the secret vegetable is. I'm gonna let you guys guess and figure it out in a few seconds, but make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Did you guys guess the hidden vegetable right? I bet you thought it was spinach. Everybody puts spinach in their smoothie these days, but no. The avocado adds a nice creaminess to your texture, so it makes it more like a milkshake, and the chocolate totally overpowers the taste. So you get that nice addition of healthy fats in there. Great for a pre-workout because you're gonna work all this off, and it's gonna give you great energy throughout the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you guys love this smoothie, definitely check out my playlist Juices. And then I'm gonna put this on a playlist called Smoothies. If you guys wanna see more smoothies from me, leave me a comment down below. You guys know I'm usually on Team Juice, but I have my handy dandy blender, so I need to make more smoothies. And I probably just need to show you guys more of my smoothies that I make, because I do make them, but I feel like I keep the juice videos coming. Let me know what you guys wanna see in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm about to drink this because it honestly smells amazing.